Local news for Wednesday the 23rd of January. Police have sadly recovered the body of missing Carterton man Finn Yates. The 20-year-old was reported missing from his home on the 17th of January and his body located in the Tongariro area on Monday afternoon. Mr Yates' death is not being considered suspicious and will be referred to the coroner. Helen Masters of Atarangi has been named as the winner of the 2019 New Zealand Winemaker of the Year award. Bob Campbell labelled her winemaking as thoughtfully rebellious, adding that Helen prefers to lead rather than follow. Helen has had 23 years in the industry, with an annual crush of between 230 and 250 tonnes. And thousands are expected this weekend as one of the biggest car events in the North Island kicks off. Cruise Martinborough, with 400 vehicles starting to arrive in the region for the 4-day event officially beginning tomorrow. And in sport, the Giants presidents have claimed their 7th anniversary weekend title. At the weekends, they beat Railways in the final 4-2.